안녕 친구들, I'm your Korean friend Ailey. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to start Korean language. I know many of you wanted to start learning Korean and then don't know what to do, right? So in this video, I'm going to tell you one by one. After this video, follow the steps and then you can read Korean and then finally you can make your own Korean sentence as well. So it's easy. I bet this is the easiest way. So I'm going to tell you how to start it. Okay, so let's start. First, real beginner. If you haven't learned any Korean language before, it's time to learn Hangeul. Hangeul is a Korean writing system. So Korean are using Hangeul for alphabet. So you need to learn the alphabet first. In the alphabet, it consists of the consonants and then vowels. So you have to memorize those. So in this video, I will tell you how to memorize the Korean consonants easily. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how to memorize the vowels easily. These are all easy, so just watch these videos, okay? When you learn the Korean consonants and vowels, it's time to learn how to combine those. You have to combine consonants and vowels. So in this time, you have to watch this video. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to put those together, consonants and vowel. Two ways for making that, and in this video, I'm going to tell you one by one. It's also easy, don't worry. For these three videos, you can learn the Korean alphabet, the basic one. Second level. Okay, I know Hangeul alphabet, but I don't know how to read it. It's so hard. In this time, you have to learn how to read Korean Hangeul. For this level people, I recommend these two videos. In this video, I will tell you the easiest way to read Korean Hangeul. This video, the view is more than 1 million, so this is proved, right? Watch that and then try to read many Korean words as you can. So try to practice your Korean reading. Got it? Especially Korean alphabet Hangeul is really scientific. So there are rules how to read it. And then in these videos, I'll tell you the rules. It's very easy, so don't worry and just watch these videos. Level 3. I know Hangeul and I know how to read Hangeul, but I don't know how to make sentence. For this level 3 people, I recommend these tense videos. I'll tell you the basic grammar rules for the verbs. So in the sentence, the verb is very important. You know that, right? The verb is very important. And then the verb in Korean, it's not easy. It changes in this way and that way with the tense. So in these videos, I will tell you how to change the verb with the tenses. So watch these videos and then get this concept. Okay, Korean change the verb in this way in the present tense and that way in the past tense. So you get the concept when you watch these videos. Level 4 people. Okay, I understand Korean tenses, so I get it, but I don't know how to improve more than that. So for this level 4 people, watch these 100 expressions. In these 100 expressions, I will tell you the mostly used expressions in Korea. Like yes, no, how are you? So this kind of basic expressions. You might have listened this expression in K-pop or K-drama somewhere. So in this video, I'll tell you one by one how this expression is used. That's it for the 4 level of people who wants to learn Korean. I know learning language is not easy at the first time, but I bet my videos are really easy and you will understand it. Okay, so I hope this video also helps you learning Korean for the first time. Learning Korean is really easy with me, Haley, so don't worry. I will put the URL in the description box, so watch those if you want to learn Korean language. So thank you for watching this video. See you soon in these videos over there. 친구들, 안녕!